Hey, how's it going, everyone? So it's a pretty cruddy day outside, and temps are high 30s, low 40s. It's rainy, it's breezy. It's just in general, a yuck day. So figured this would be a good time to have a little fun and take a break from the project I've got going on in the garage, working on my truck, and break out the old Swiss Army knife here and do a little whittling. So a few videos back, I modified this from a what was the hiker, and made this into a carving knife to do some whittling. It was inspired by another YouTuber, and so yeah, like I say, it's just kind of crappy out. I did work on my truck a little bit. There's a video coming up here in the very near future, so I just want to do a little fun video. And I'm not sure what size. This is 1x1. I think that's 4 inches. I'm not going to use the whole thing. If I use it, it would be out of proportion. This is, I think, 2x2 by 4 inches. I'm thinking I want to do a snowman, and I think I might do this. It's going to be a lot of hacking material out of there, but I think I'll do a short, kind of fat snowman. And yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'll use this guy. So I have my cut resistant gloves on, got the old Swiss Army knife, got my basswood chunk, and well, I tell you, these gloves really saved me. They're cut resistant. I don't know the details on them. You can Google them and find out. They've really saved me. There've been a handful of times that I've slipped and would have been a decent little cut, and I'm really glad I had them. So the only thing, and I've seen other people say that the pads, these have like a rubber grip on here. It leaves kind of a light black tinge to your work, but when I finish them, I don't paint them. I use a pencil and do a little bit of shading and highlighting with the just I get the point real sharp and get in little nooks and crannies with it. Sometimes I might shade, like I just made a snowman for my wife, and I colored the hat in, and just took my hand and just kind of smeared the graphite around and just kind of shaded it a little bit. And then when I finish them, I use a tinted boiled linseed oil. So, but here we go. I'm going to sketch him up a little bit, put some reference marks, and strap the knife up and get this thing started. So here we go.